Good afternoon, ngayon po ay June 6, 2025 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong June 6, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, June 6, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for June 6, 2025, Friday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, June 6, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of June 6, 2025, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.